Hi, good morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this. So I am going to show you how to build a loom today to do knitting in the round. You can also purchase looms. These are round looms. There's different sizes. You can get as big or as small as you want to go. And the reason for making one of these is so you can knit in the round. I did this project years ago with some junior high kids, and they really loved it. And then I even saw parents around the community started to make these. So this is fairly inexpensive to make. And then you can buy whatever color yarn, or you can get some yarn from me while I have supplies. Okay, so to start out with, you're going to need a toilet paper roll. Move my camera a little bit. A roll of masking tape works best. And then I used, these are glow sticks that turn into bracelets. They are not straws. Straws would not be strong enough. You could also use, I've used crayons before, and I've used pencils. You just need something that is not too long but not too short. And the reason I like these glow sticks is because they bend a little bit, but they're also strong enough that they will hold your string. Okay, so you're going to start off with, you need some tape. I would get just a small piece of tape. And for these, I set them up and level them off at the bottom. And then I put the tape over the straw and just kind of wrap it around. And I'm going to use 5. 5 is a good number for a toilet paper roll. It's just the right amount. It's not too big, not too small. And then just try to space your straws evenly around the toilet paper roll. And I try to put the tape right next to it, and that's going to help prevent it from moving later. All right, so let me get my next one done. And while you're putting these around, if they are not quite spaced apart good enough, you can adjust them a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do my 4th one. And again, I'm just wrapping that tape around it every time. Okay, and then I've got one more. Okay, so here's my 5th one. Okay, I'm going to wrap tape around it. And just wrap it around. Okay, so now at this point, if you realize, oh, there's too much space there, you can rotate them around. They will move just a little bit. Now you don't want them to move too much. So once you've got them where you want them, then I'm going to take another piece of tape, a longer one, and I am going to tape around the whole thing. And you can wrap it around a few times. And you can do it all the way around the bottom if you want to. You don't have to. All right, so now I've got mine on there pretty good. And I've just wrapped the tape around there to hold it in place. Okay, and that's how you make a basic loom with whatever materials you have. So like I said, these are glow sticks that turn into bracelets. If you use these, just be careful because there are little pieces of glass inside there. As long as you don't cut these or break them, you'll be fine. And I like I said, that they bend, so it's really good for what we're about to do. You can also use, I've used crayons before. You can use pencils, pens, whatever you can find. Toilet paper. Masking tape works better, but if you don't have masking tape, use duct tape or packing tape, whatever you can find. Okay, and that's how you make your loom. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to start off knitting. Okay. All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you.